Welcome back to the channel. Well, see it? Jamaicans in New York are protesting and saying that the government in Jamaica is a complete failure to the people. And despite it being rainy weather in New York, the people out there and them numbers seemingly in support of the opposition, saying that the administration is doing nothing for the Jamaican island. We are going to hear Wagwan, see Wagwan, and then we will continue the reason nation. I want to look and listen.
Them guilty as charged. See them? See them? See them? Got to go. Woo! Rain.
Some people never make mistakes, they make a rule for mistakes. It's okay. And once they have support and restoration, they will continue to do what they do because you know there is the position, you know there is the status, you know there is the name, there is some
them take out that out of the school.
Some people never make mistakes, they make a rule for mistakes. It's okay. And once they have support and restoration, they will continue to do what they do because you know there is the position, you know there is the status, you know there is the name, there is some
them take out that out of the school.
Shine with their song. Everybody down the street for you, so come on over.
I made a proposal.
Okay.
I said give every
We're here till 1 o'clock.
fingerprint scanning. Because I'm in their maple and call him in their Trinidad they call him scatter. You come and town and call him hollow. So the same man have 10 different names.
Yes.
But one fingerprint.
Yes.
One fingerprint. Say cheap.
Yes, you got to go.
Police one. What the police will do, what the police will do. But stupid people.
Man right to God right there. See him there? Big man in the house. Alex. See it there?
You eliminate frustration and get the people to police. Because if they follow these things, I'm here for more. We will talk about that. I want to finish you.
Now, if this is not a clear message to the administration, I don't know what they're going to say. Some have long said the only time you can get the attention of the government is through a protest. Well, Jamaicans overseas concerned, Jamaicans were the same investment where they must say Jamaicans overseas should reinvest in their country. Well, the people must show them concern. They must say yes, they want to reinvest in them country. But based on what them say take place on the island, they might wonder if the administration have the people's best intentions in mind. And all of this are coincide with what we see take place on the Jamaican island. And while we can say there is still support for the administration, even though supporters believe that the administration is not heading in the direction that they had believed the administration was going in. Of course, working on the economy is one aspect of creating a better Jamaica. But they must say aside from that, it's like the administration has gone delusional. No longer in touch with the people. No longer hearing the cries of the people. See, Jamaicans overseas take to the streets. Are the only way them feel them could have get the attention of the Jamaican people. And also now, there's North American interest saying what is really taking place on the Jamaican island. The people must say two things them continuously here. The economy are the good, and billions is being spent. No clarification. No transparency. The economy is doing better than it has ever been doing. I will not dispute it. We don't have the data, we don't have the, you know what I mean? For say, it goes so, it not goes so. But what we can say is that we have heard that the economy is doing good and billions is being spent. We're not talking about 1 billion. We are talking 25, 7, 10, 9 billion just being spent. So the people must them tired of that. Because when we talk about the necessary infrastructure, anytime the necessary infrastructure is brought up, the government never have the money to deal with that yet. But they never have 25 billion to deal with things where when them say them are going to deal with it, at the first the people even not hear about it. When in these same parishes where them are spend them 25 billion, the parish united say are under the same mindset, saying that these are actually the issues that should be taken care of by the government. Those cries always fall upon deaf ears. And when something happens, the people must say, you see it, they must say they never have the money. And they must try to raise the money now. And after maybe some tragedy takes place, yeah, normally after tragedy, they say, alright, an initiative will be taken and they're going to spend the money, and wherever the money will come from, they're going to find it, and this is going to be done and that is going to be done. The people are tired of that. Remember, the government was elected based on the facts that them say. They're going to be transparent. They're going to do this for the people. They're going to do that for the people. They're going to. And at this point in time, the same government have to step out to the people and say, these are not promises, these are commitments. You know why they have to clarify that? Because the people them start call the things that were being said on the political campaign promises, and empty ones at that. Say now the government give them empty promise. Say them are going to do this. Say them are going to do that. Nothing now go on. What go on in Manchester, there's something happened recently. You know, they must say a number of years it a go on. And we gotta be fair. Number of years it a go on. Means say under both administrations, nothing has been done. What the people must do is, you are the two same party, but a different leadership. That they must say. And with all the Jamaican state is, normally it is two major political parties. So sometimes the only difference between those two major political parties is who will be the leader of the party and the deputy leader of the party. But it's either one or the other. The people that say the opposition leader, so they must say they want to give him a chance. What the polls show is that, yeah, the people might like the prime minister more and them like the opposition leader, but them like the opposition party more and them like the party in power. And that's a major factor. Plus now, with that protest, the people them out there in the rain in New York, rain a fall. People them out there in them umbrella and raincoat and trench coat and all different type of coat. Just to come out there. And as I've shared with the concern of people even not residing on the island. People who just visit. People who probably do business. Have family members. You know what I mean? Hopeful returning residents. People who have seen how governments in other countries take care of them people. How governments in other countries put policies in place to help the people. And keep in mind, in them country, there still have people where I say the government now do enough and now do what them supposed to do. But people travel to first world countries to tell us, say, your governments in third world countries, I give the people them the bare minimum. While still I collect billions in taxes. So recently, when them tell us the tax money short, and never the tax collected from people, you know. Recently, when the government do a check on the money with them collect from tax, all hard-working people, home owners, everybody pay up them taxes. You know which tax not get paid? Corporate tax. Would you believe? Corporate tax short the Jamaica tax budget. Our tax revenue. Not the budget, the revenue. It was the corporate tax. I never PYE. I never GCT. I never know anything there. All of that was paid in full. The money with it short and the money with them to collect from the company them. Would you believe? So hardworking people have always been hardworking people. Them tell us that the economy are the good. Hardworking people have always been hardworking people. You name a time when downtown was never hustling and bustling. Name a time. Time back to a time when the people never downtown house. Try to make ends meet. That's not true government initiative and government incentive. That's the people trying to survive. What the people must ask for is policies and programs to help out the younger generation are forward up. That they not have to come live the life for them say. The generation is considered adults for them right now. I live. They may have better opportunities. And that opportunity is regulated to just having a job. But having a job with them can turn a career. A career we can also either help the country or become a big business and employ other people. We don't need factories from overseas to come open out here. We need young entrepreneurs and young inventors that can come together and with an investor build these factories. Get the loans from the bank them, what the bank them they have to do. Bank now they have to keep your money in. Bank they have to lend their money for do business. That's the whole premise of a bank. The average people swear to have to save. No. If you actually get money from for do business. But most people are not aware. Because most people don't have a main savings account. Hence all them feel like the bank is there for them to do is save. But the reason for another time. But talk to me in the comment section, tell me what you think. But what take place in New York right now. If you're new to the channel, it's a pass through. Click the subscribe icon and the bell icon. And of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. We can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, if you want to live, love, and prosper, if you want to stay tuned.